To e-lesson on De Morgan's law and canonical forms, presented by B. Venkateshwarlu, senior lecturer. De Morgan's law, on the completion of the period, you would be able to know, state and explain the De Morgan's theorems, simplify the expressions using De Morgan's laws. Write Boolean expressions for the given statement. Types of logic gates we have. Logic gates are classified into basic gates, universal gate, derived gates, complex gates. Basic gates are again classified into three. They are OR gate, AND gate, NOT gate. Universal gates are two, NAND gate and NOR gate. Derived gates are exclusive OR gate, exclusive NOR gates. De Morgan's first law, it states that the complement of the sum of individuals is equal to the product of the individual complements. That is, A plus B whole complement is equivalent to A complement dot B complement. Proof of De Morgan's first theorem: A plus B whole complement equivalent to A complement dot B complement. So, if A and B are two variables, the combination of binary bits 2 to the power of 2 means 4 combinations, that is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. If A plus B, that corresponding of 0, 0 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 1. A plus B complement is 0 complement is 1, 1 complement is 0, 1 complement is 0, 1 complement is 0. A complement is 1, 1, 0, 0, B complement is 1, 0, 1, 1. So A complement dot B complement is 1 dot 1 is 1, 1 dot 0 is 0, 0 dot 1 is 0, 0 dot 0 is 0. So here A plus B whole complement equivalent to A complement B complement from the truth table. So 1 and here also 1, 0, 0, 0 and 0, 0 and 0. So it is proved that A plus B whole complement equivalent to A complement dot B complement. So it is equal. The truth table shows here A plus B whole complement equivalent to A complement dot B complement. De Morgan's first law. So NOR gate, R with complement is NOR gate. A and B are two variables. The Y output equivalent to A plus B whole complement, which is equivalent to, so A complemented and B also complemented. The complement outputs are given to the two input to AND gate. The AND gate output to Y equivalent to A complement dot B complement, which is also equivalent to the A complement B complement of AND gate inverted inputs. So Y equivalent to A complement dot B complement. Venn diagram for first law. Simple to understand and identify by drawing a Venn diagram. For example, De Morgan's first law, A plus B whole complement equivalent to A complement dot B complement. It also can be written as A plus B whole complement equivalent to A complement dot B complement. Using a Venn diagram, so it is A, B, B is fully filled, A is fully filled. So A plus B is A is filled and B is filled. A plus B whole complement is so A and B is not which is complement means outside of the A and B is filled. So it is a complemented value of A plus B. A is filled, B is filled. So it is A complemented. Outside of the A is it is B complemented. A complement dot B complement, which is also outside of the A and B. Visual De Morgan's A plus B whole complement equivalent to A complement dot B complement. De Morgan's second law statement, the complement of product of variable is equal to the sum of the individual complements. So A dot B whole complement, which is equivalent to A complement plus B complement. Proof of De Morgan's second theorem. A dot B whole complement, which is equivalent to A complement plus B complement. A and B are variables, which is combinations are 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So AB is 0, 0, 0, 1. AB complement is 1, 1, 1, 0. So if RHS A complement is 1, 1, 0, 0, B complement is 1, 0, 1, 1. A complement plus B complement is 1 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, 0 plus 1 is 1, 0 plus 0 is 0. Here, so AB complement, which is equivalent to A complement plus B complement from the truth table. The columns which are shown both are equal. De Morgan's second theorem. A and B variables are given to the two input AND gate. Its output is A dot B. If you give a inverter or NOT gate, so output is complementary of the input. So input here is AB, so Y equivalent to AB complement, which is equivalent to the A and B are given to the inverter NOT gates. We'll get A complement, B complement from the NOT gates. These outputs are given to the two input OR gate. Y equivalent to A complement plus B complement, which is proved that AB complement, which is equivalent to A complement plus B complement. Summary: we have discussed about De Morgan's law, De Morgan's second law. Application: De Morgan's law simplify the following Boolean expressions. Example: A plus B whole complement plus C whole complement. So A plus B complement of complement dot C complement. So that will become A plus B dot C complement. Simplify F equivalent to A dot B complement whole complement dot B of A complement whole complement, the expression total complement, which is simplified as A dot B complement of complement dot become a plus B dot A complement complement and complement. Complement get cancelled. We can return the expression as A dot B complement dot become A plus. Simplify F equivalent to A dot B complement whole complement, B dot A complement and complement whole complement. The expression is written as A dot B complement plus B dot A complement, which is A exclusive or B. A B complement plus B A complement, which is equivalent to A exclusive or B. Simplify the expression A complement dot B dot C dot C dot D complement whole complement. By simplifying this expression, we will get A plus B whole complement plus B complement plus C complement plus C complement plus D. So we will get A plus B complement plus C complement plus D. So F equivalent to A complement dot B complement dot C complement whole complement plus A complement A B complement dot C whole complement. So A complement get B complement, A complement whole complement plus dot complement is plus B complement, dot complement is plus C complement plus A complement plus B complement whole complement plus C complement. A plus B complement plus C plus A complement plus B plus C complement. A plus A complement plus B plus B complement plus C complement. A plus A complement is 1, 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So final answer is 1. Find the inverse of the function F equivalent to X complement Y complement Z complement plus X complement Y complement Z. F complement is the expression total complement, which is equivalent to X complement Y Z complement whole complement dot plus complement becomes a dot X complement Y complement Z whole complement, X complement Y complement plus Y complement plus Z complement whole complement dot X complement X complement whole complement Y complement whole complement plus Z complement. The expression written as X plus Y complement plus Z of X plus Y plus Z complement. Simplify the expression by using De Morgan's law. A of A dot B whole complement dot B of A dot B whole complement whole expression complement. After by using De Morgan's laws and postulates, the expression is simplified as A dot B complement plus B dot A complement, which is nothing but A exclusive or B. Simplify and implement the inverse function with gates y equivalent to a complement dot b plus b complement a, which is nothing but a exclusive or b. So if it is inversion, we'll get as ab plus a complement whole complement, which is nothing but a exclusive nor b. Realize the given function using gates y equivalent to a complement dot b complement whole complement plus a b whole complement. A and b are taken variables to NOT gates. We will get a complement to whole complement b complement. If you go to the NAND gate output is a complement dot b complement whole complement. Here if you give the a and b variables to the NAND gate, we will get as a dot b whole complement. If you give into the OR gate, a complement b complement whole complement plus a dot b whole complement. Realization of the problem statement. Read the statement of the problem carefully. Identify the variables from the statement. Write the Boolean expression. So in order to realization of the problem statement, first of all, read the statement of problem carefully. Identify variables from this statement. Write Boolean expression. Realize the expression using gates. Example 1. The student is eligible to appear for the examination if he has got minimum percentage of attendance and paid the exam fee without fine within last date, or has paid the exam fee with fine within last date. Then write a expression for function y and realize using gates. The solution: y equivalent to eligible to appear, 1 is eligible, 0 it is not eligible. A is attendance, 1 has required attendance, 0 does not have. B. Fee, 1 for paid the exam fee without fine with last date, 0 not paid. C. Fine, 1 paid the fine with last date within fine, 0 has not paid the fine. Then we can write the expression as A. You should have a attendance and paid the exam fee without last date. If he not paid fee within last date, then pay the fine. So that is B complement C from the AND gate. If BRC is active, that means B plus B complement C. Y equivalent to A should have attendance and fee within the last date, or If not, then pay the P within the last date with fine. That is y equivalent to A dot B plus B complement C. Is x complement y plus x y complement whole complement is same as x plus y of x complement plus y complement, x complement plus y of x complement plus y complement, xy plus x complement y complement, D none. The answer is xy plus x complement y complement, which is nothing but x exclusive nor y. Quiz 2. X complement y plus x z complement whole complement is same as x plus y plus z, x complement to yz, xyz, D x plus y complement, x complement plus z. The answer is D. X plus y complement dot x complement plus z. Third, Boolean multiplication is same as ANDing, ORing, both of A above, none of the above. ANDing. Boolean multiplication is same as ANDing. Fourth quiz question. Simplify the logic expression for this circuit is y equivalent to A dot B, y equivalent to A, y equivalent to A plus B, y equivalent to A complement plus B complement. The answer is y equivalent to A. Canonical forms. Writing sum of products, product of sums expressions from the truth table. Implementing logic gates for the expression 2, 3 variables using maps, Karnaugh maps. Simplification of SOP, that means sum of products, POS, product of sums, forms using K-map, Karnaugh map method. Canonical forms, standard forms of Boolean expression, sum of products form, product of sums form. Sum of products form, we know that a product of two or more variables or their complements is AND function of those variables. A sum in Boolean algebra is the same as OR function. Thus, a sum of products expression is two or more AND functions ORed together. These products are called as many terms. Each mini term contains all the variables within the system. To derive the Boolean expression from the truth table, which is a function with many terms, A, B, C, three variables are 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. So the mini terms are A complement, B complement, C complement, which is equivalent to small m0. A complement dot B complement C, which is equivalent to small m1. A complement B, C complement, which is equivalent to small m2. A complement B of C equivalent to M3. A B complement C complement is M4. A B complement C is M5. A B C complement is M6. A B C equivalent to M7. Consider a truth table with 3 inputs as shown. From this table, the output function with 3 inputs A, B, C are function A, B, C, A, B, C. It is identity the product terms from each row in which the output is 1. The sum of the product's terms in the desired Boolean expression. The sum of these product terms is desired by Boolean expression. 1 in the input column implies true literal. 0 in the input column implies complemented literal. Sum of products from example. F equivalent to, so the example is given here. ABC truth table. F for 0 0 0, F is 0, F complement is 1. Similar 0 0 1, it is F is 0 and F complement is 1. 0 1 0, it is 0 1. 0 1 1, it is 1 0. 1 0 0, it is 1 0. 1 0 1, it is 1 0. 1 1 0, it is 1 0. 1 1 1 is F is 1, F complement is 0. The function F can be written as A dash BC plus A B complement C complement plus A B complement C plus AB C complement plus ABC. So for A dash BC, it is 0 1 1. For A B complement C complement, it is 1 0 1. Similarly 1 0 1, 1 1 0, 1 1 1. So F complement is A dash B dash C dash plus A dash B dash C plus A dash B C dash. Therefore, F in canonical form is function ABC equivalent to sigma minimum terms 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that is M3 plus M4 plus M5 plus M6 plus small m7. So A dash BC plus A B dash C dash plus A B complement C plus A B C complement plus ABC. So if you common for F equivalent to AB complement is common, we will get C plus C complement plus A complement BC plus AB common C plus C complement. C plus C complement equivalent to 1. We can written as AB complement plus A complement BC plus AB. Inverse function is F dash is equal to F complement is equal to ABC equivalent to sigma minimum terms 0 1 2. So from 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 3 4 5 6 7 is there already in F. So what are the terms which are not there in the function? That is 0 1 2. The F dash equivalent to A dash B dash C dash. Function ABC equivalent to A dash B dash C dash plus A B dash C plus AB C dash plus ABC. Reduce the canonical form using Boolean laws. F equivalent to AB dash of C plus C dash plus A dash BC plus AB of C complement plus C. AB dash plus A dash BC plus AB. A of B plus B complement plus A dash BC. A dash B equivalent to A plus C. So it is A plus BC. Now the function is minimal canonical form. And or realization. AND gate B and C. AND gate, if you give into the AND gate, will get as BC. A and A BC values are given to the OR gate, will get as A plus BC. Here we required one AND gate, one OR gate. NAND and realization. BC given to the NAND gate will get BC whole complement. If you given a complement to the AND gate, this BC complement given to the NAND gate, so we'll get as A complement dot BC whole complement. So we'll get as A complement whole complement is A, dot complement is plus, BC complement and complement is get cancelled, we'll get A plus BC. Inverse function in canonical form is f dash is equal to sigma small m0 m1 m2. The function can be written as f complement is equal to A complement B complement C complement plus A complement B complement C plus A complement B C complement. In minimal form, f equivalent to A dash B dash of C plus C dash plus A complement B C complement. By reducing this expression, C plus C complement is equal to 1. So we'll get as A complement B complement plus A complement B C complement. If A complement is common, B complement plus B C complement. So according to the absorption law, B complement plus B C complement is B complement C complement. B is absorption here. So we'll written as A complement of B complement plus C complement. So A complement B complement plus A complement C complement. So the A complement is written as A plus BC whole complement, A complement B complement plus of B complement plus C complement, which is equivalent to A complement B complement plus A complement C complement, which is equivalent to the A complement B complement plus A complement C complement. And our realization, two AND gates, one OR gate is required. A dash B dash given to the one AND gate will get as A dash dot B dash. The other AND gate which gives A dash output is A dash dot C dash. These outputs are given to the two input OR gate. The OR gate output F complement is equal to A complement B complement plus A complement C complement. NAND realization. A complement, B complement, NAND gate output is A complement dot B complement whole complement. Similarly, the second NAND gate which output is A complement dot C complement whole complement. The third NAND gate output is product of sums form. It is a dual of products form. Some terms are shown in the max terms. Here the product of sums are shown in maximum terms. So a Boolean expression can be written as product of these sum terms. To derive a Boolean expression from the truth table, which is in a function with max terms. So the truth table ABC variables. So 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. The max terms are A plus B plus C, which is equivalent to the capital M0 max terms. For 0, 0, 1, A plus B plus C complement, which is equivalent to M1. Similarly, A plus B complement plus C equivalent to capital M2. A plus B complement C complement is equal to M3. A complement plus B plus C equivalent to M4. A complement plus B plus C complement is M5. A complement plus B complement C equivalent to M6. A complement plus B complement plus C complement is equal to M7. Consider a truth table with the 3 input as shown. The output is a function with the 3 input functions A, B and C. Product of sums form. Identify the sum terms, max terms from each row. Now in which of the output is 0. The product of these sum terms is desired by Boolean expression. Max terms for 3 variables. A truth table given for 3 input variables A, B, C. Corresponding max terms are M0, M1, M2, M3, M4, M5, M6, M7. Find the truth table rows where F is equivalent to 0. 0 in the input column implies true literal. 1 in the input column implies complemental literal. 0 for true, 1 for complemented literal. ABC variables. F is the output. 0, 0, 0, 0 output. F complement is 1. 0, 0, 1 it is 0 and complementary value is 1. 0, 1, 0 is 0 and 1. 0, 1, 1 is 0 and 1. 0, 0, 1, 1 is 1 and 0. 1, 0, 0 is 1, 0. 1, 0, 1 is 1, 0. 1, 1, 0 is 1, 0. 1, 1, 1 is F equivalent to 1. F complement is 0. Where the function F equivalent to 0, that is a true statement. Those corresponding A and B C variables are for first 0 corresponding to ABC 0, 0, 0, where second 0 in F is 0, 0, 1. Third 0 is 0, 1, 0. The function ABC equivalent to maximum terms of 0, 1 and 2. So here we can written as max terms are F equivalent to A plus B plus C of A plus B plus C complement of A plus B complement plus C. And our realization, 3 OR gates, 1 AND gate is required. For some functions you require OR gate, for AND function you required AND gate. So A plus B plus C of A plus B plus C complement A plus B complement plus C. That is the output F. By using NOR realization, all gates are your NOR gates, all are universal gates. So any function can be implemented by using universal gate. ABC equivalent to the first NOR gate output is A plus B plus C whole complement. Second NOR gate is A plus B plus C complement whole complement. Third NOR gate A plus B complement plus C whole complement. These 3 outputs are given to the NOR gate. We'll get the output F equivalent to and A plus B plus C whole complement plus A plus B plus C complement whole complement plus A plus B complement plus C whole complement. The expression is totally complement. We'll get the final function. Example, inverse function. ABC equivalent to F and F complement is given. F dash is equal to ABC equivalent to 3 here zeros are for the F complement is M3, M4, M5, M6, M7. A plus B complement plus C complement of A complement plus B plus C of A complement plus B plus C complement of A complement plus B complement plus C of A complement plus B complement plus C complement. By using Karnaugh map, we can simplify. It is easy to simplify the given function by using Karnaugh map methods. Used for up to 4 or 5 variables. Truth table visual representation. Expression mostly in sum of products form. Karnaugh map maps 2 variables A and B are variables. So it consists of 2 to the power of 2 means 4 variables. 0, 0 is the 0 cell. 0 and 1, A is 0 and B is 1 is cell 1. A is 1, B is 1 is cell 3. A is 1, B is 0, cell 2. So it is consists of 4 cells in the map. If it is 3 variables A, B, C, AB is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1 and 1, 0, whereas C is 0 and 1. We will get 0, 0, 0 is 0, 0, 0, 1 is 1, 0, 1, 0 is 2, 0, 1, 1 is 3. Similarly, 4, 5 and 6, 7. So it consists of 8 cells. 2 to the power of 3 means 3 variables are there. Binary is 2. 2 to the power of 3 means 8. 8 cells. It consists of, the map consists of 8 cells for 3 variables. Suppose if it is a 4 variable, 2 to the power of 4 means 16 variables. From 0, 0, 0 is 0. All 4 ones are 15. Totally 16. 0 to 15, total 16 cells. Gray code, only a single bit changes from code word to next code word. 2 variables KRNMF method, x and y. X so two variables KRNMF map is consists of M0, M1, M2 and M3. Example of K-map: write sum of product expression and minimize it. A, B, output is P. For 0, 0 it is 1, 0, 1 is 1, 1, 0 is 0, 1, 1 is 1. Place ones for many terms in K-map. So here for 0 it is 1, 1 is 1, 3 is 1. Grouping adjacent cells or pairing. Adjacent ones can be paired off. Pairs may be adjacent horizontally or vertically. Minimized SOP expression as A complement plus B. The first pair consists of first pair B is eliminated, leaving A complement as a term. Another pair, second pair, A is eliminated, it is B. So A complement plus B. The first pair is 0 and A plus 1B. We'll get as A plus B. Example, XY F 0, 0 is 0, 0, 1 is 1, 1, 0 is 1, 1, 1 is 0. Simplify the following truth table using K-map. Function x comma y equivalent to sigma 1 comma 2 in minimum terms. Decimal equivalent are 0, 1, 2, 3. The K-map shown in the slide. X comma y, 2 variables, 4 cells. So here 1 comma 2 is 1 and 2 cells are 1, remaining are zeros. So it's not possible to group. You can write on directly expression. as pairing is not possible here. So x complement y plus x y complement. So the output f equivalent to x exclusive or y. Function x comma y, which is equivalent to 1 comma 2, f equivalent to x dash x complement y plus x y complement, so which is equivalent to x exclusive or y, x and y. So it is a exclusive OR gate, 2 input to exclusive OR gate, f equivalent to x dash y plus x y dash x exclusive or y equivalent to f. Practice. Simplify the following using K-map. 1 sigma 0 1 2, sigma 0 1 2 3, third sigma 0 2 3, sigma m 0 1. 3 variables K-map. So here 8 cells are there, M0 to M7. Those corresponding values x is 0 or 1, yz is 0 0 0 1, 1 1 and 1 0. The cells are M0, M1 and M3 and M2, M4, M5, last is M6, in middle is M7. Three variables map contains 2 to the power of n variables. Here 2 to the power of 3 means 8 squares or cells. Code sequence follows gray code. Extreme ends of same row consider adjacent. Three variable K-map for example 1. Function ABC equivalent to sigma 246. ABC is the variables, the output P equivalent to, for 0 0 it is 0 and 0 0 1 is 0, 0 1 0 is 1, 0 1 1 is 0, 1 0 0 is 1, 1 0 1 is 0, 1 1 0 is 1, 1 1 1 is 0. So here the output to P equivalent to 246. Wherever is 1 is there, the corresponding values can be written in the squares of the K-map. So here written M2, M4, M6. So you can group the M4 and M6 is one pair, and this M4 and M6 is one group. For first group, so A is varying, BC is constant, so we can written as B C complement plus. For the second group, A is constant, so we can written as A from the 0 0 1 0, which is constant, C is constant and B is varying, so we can written as C corresponding value is 0, so we can written as C complement, A C complement. So the final expression is B C complement plus A C complement. first group, the second group. A C complement plus B C complement. Pair 1 and pair 2. Quad, to eliminate two variables. So quad also grouping quad or octal. Two pairs, or directly we can take also one quad or octal. To eliminate two variables, so the function A B equivalent to A complement. Octet also we consider to eliminate three variables. Total output equivalent to 1. Thank you. Thank you.